Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to explain how to print a article that you might have seen in Windows with Google Chrome. How do you print a page, a web page, or whatever you want to print from the web using Google Chrome? Sometimes we want to keep an article, sometimes we want to keep something and print it out so we have a hard copy. So how do you actually print in Google Chrome? Well, you simply go to wherever that article is. Say that I want to print this article about SpaceX is set to launch crucial tests and so on. And once you're on this page, if you right click on the page, you will have print as an option. From here, you'll have your destination. It's going to tell you what printer you're using. At the top, it tells you how many pages of paper this is going to use. So it says here, total 7 sheets of paper. So what that means, you might want to look at what you're printing, because in Windows 10, what's cool and in the printing with Chrome is that you could actually see the pages you're printing. Maybe you don't want to have all of the printed stuff. Maybe there's a page, for example, this last page, I don't want it. I would not want to have that. So it's good to actually look at where you want to stop, and you'll know what page. And on the bottom here, it tells you what page you're looking at. So you can actually zoom in and go down and say, okay, I want up to page, I want up to page 6 out of 7, but I don't want to have the 7th page. So that means what you could do, instead of all, you could say, oh, I want to print 1-6. That means pages 1 to 6 rather than all 7 pages. And it's actually going to tell you at the top here, now it says 6 sheets of paper rather than 7. So it's going to print out the first 6 pages. How many copies you want to have? What layout you want to have? Do you want to see it in portrait or landscape mode? And of course there are other settings that you can check out. Type of paper size that you're using, and so on. So you can of course check out these details. And all you'll have to do then is just click the print button, the blue print button on the upper left where the print is for your web page that you want to print. One word of caution, there are pages that you cannot print. They will actually show up as blank pages, and this is to prevent, of course, copy of the material that you're looking at. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.